right? So we are driving up to the Hunter Valley. It was a very last minute decision. We literally booked the accommodation and everything. Last night. Yesterday, and yeah, we just decided, I think on Monday, we're like, let's just go somewhere, you know, because he's leaving in literally a week now. 1.5 weeks. Interesting story is that we booked first using booking.com, but then I called the hotel up. I'm like, what's the tea? I was like, what's going on? Like, you know, because I saw some promotions online, and then we basically just cancelled our booking with booking.com, and we got the booking at like half price from the booking that we got from booking.com, which was already like a steal. So if you, I mean, that's just, yeah, you call up sometimes the old-fashioned way, I guess, calling up, then you might get better deals. So really stoked about that. And they threw in like credits for the spa, credits for golfing if we get a chance to go. Hopefully we will. So all of these fun things. So we're checking in today, but the first thing that we're actually doing is going
right in.
You guys have no idea how excited I am. Like, I'm so pumped for it.
I'm very excited. The last time I did horse riding was in Darjeeling when I was a kid.
Aww. Okay, so we've entered the Hunter region and it's so pretty. It's so nice. What do you think?
Off the highway into the trees, bushes.
So it's country. It's regional New South Wales.
Very green, very, very green.
And we've just arrived. Cool. And we're here.
Come here and try all the wines.
Oh my god,
Instead of going for a wine tour, you know?
Yeah, I mean, I don't do that. Anyways, oh my god, chocolate and fudge factory. So basically, we just dropped all our luggage, and now we're gonna go play with the horsies. Not play, but like have a nice. I'm so excited. You guys have no idea. Look how stunning this is. I'm so happy we're here. So excited. Okay, you need to answer these questions. Hi. Hello. Very excited.
Come here and be like, okay, let me take the horse run. We don't know what everybody's driving right now.
Head southwest.
I feel like I'm sitting somewhere.
Me too. It's so weird driving. Me too. I feel like I'm sitting somewhere so low.
Like I can see the road, but I'm still doing like this.
We saw kangaroos or wallabies, one of them.
Vine farm, the trotting between the vine farm, so good.
Yeah, so it was so nice, and it was like trotting amongst the bushland, and I really enjoyed myself. It was such a good idea.
Good job, you.
No, it was so good. What did you think?
Oh, so relaxing. I mean, you know, it just so many things came into my mind, like, you know, history with horses and stuff like that, mode of transport, how they feel, do do they talk? Just a lot of things. I was trying to bond with the horse, and his name was Meja.
So we came to eat. So that's a warm vegan salad, and this is a vegan pizza. How good does it look?
Very delicious.
We were just sitting and talking. We came just to have like a really chill eat, you know what I mean? There's something really cool. And we're at this place. I am so excited to tuck in. We literally wolfed that down. I'm not even ashamed of it. Like, that pizza was the best vegan pizza I've ever had in my entire life. And this salad, look, it's almost all gone too, because it's so freaking good. The first thing I noticed that there were 2 Indian chefs in the kitchen. I'm like, the food's gonna be very good, and it banged. I honestly wonder if the food like elsewhere will be as good as this, because they have all these like French bistros and stuff, but this one had like flavor. Like the salad, it was a cashew and cumin crema, so obviously like cashew and like Gouda. I'm so keen for the other stuff that we eat, but yeah, it was really, really good. How was it? Literally, French kiss. Wait, no, wait. Chef's kiss.
You should be feeling lucky about that.
So we came for dinner. We're just looking at the menu. So yeah, just came for dinner. I'm super excited. I'm a bit hungry now, but yeah, excited to eat. We've just been talking about some nice, intense things. It's been good. Good conversation.
मजा आ गया तो
Great.
joke.
Because we eat so much all the time, but this looks delicious. Yeah. Ooh, that looks pretty.
This is broccoli from alien space. You like broccoli from Mars. See, different broccoli.
Yeah, that's cool.
So he's supposed to eat the fool.
I hope you guys enjoyed this week's vlog. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you can watch part 2 of our Hunter Valley mini vacation. Take care of yourself, guys. Wear your masks and stay safe. Bye.